Hey, welcome guys. In this video, doing an unboxing of the Google Home Mini. So Google originally released the Google Home product, which is basically housing the ability for a user to communicate with their Google Assistant AI. And of course, this one is the mini version. So it's advertised as being a small and mini. I can use it for your day-to-day tasks and whatnot. But it's kind of a copy of the Amazon Echo Dot, which I have reviewed. It's just kind of funny timing that the Amazon Echo Dot was selling like crazy, so Google's like, we're gonna release the mini version. The timing was just way too coincidental, right? So, but hey, driving competition is usually better for the consumer, so I'm not really complaining, as I'm also a huge fan of the Google Assistant AI. So the box is pretty simple, and it looks very similar to what you would find Google Chromecast products in, where they have that same type of seal you kind of rip off the box. Really simplistic, white, simple outer shell, and of course in the box itself, here's the Google Home Mini product. So it's the size of a hockey puck or a donut. It's not that large, it's pretty small. Of course, it's a mini product. It's a very unique design. I'm not sure if I'm liking the design or not. It looks like a button off a jacket. That's not really a good thing, but I'll let you decide on your own personal thoughts. So continue on. We do have the guide and stuff. I'm not sure if you really need a guide for this product. I'm pretty sure it's going to be very simple to set up. Most instructions are probably in the app itself, but for those of you that are kind of new to the smart home game, I guess it's kind of good to have. So basically it says, set it up, plug it in, and then you go through the app setup. It's pretty straightforward and simple. There are some touch commands. Volume down is on the left side, for example, if you touch it. Has some example commands available, turning on lights and whatnot, telling about your day, the time of the day, sorry. And of course, there's some other information. And the cord itself. I am kind of liking how the plug is a flathead. This is kind of easy to put it behind, say, a bookshelf. If for some reason you have a power outlet behind a bookshelf, it doesn't look like it'll take up too much space on a power bar. Actually, it would probably take up 2 spots, which is kind of unfortunate. I wish it was more rectangular, like the Google Chromecast products. There's also a cable clip included in the box. I just want to show you guys really quickly, just for cable management, in case you want to wrap the cable pretty tight, or maybe just kind of wrap it around something and kind of clip it. It's nice that they included it. Not really necessary, but it's nice that it's in the box. So I'm just kind of going over what else is inside the box. Just put the cable to the side. I really go thorough and deep into boxes when I'm doing an unboxing, just in case. You never know what's buried underneath sometimes. You just want to make sure if you get a product, you get your money's worth, right? Get everything out of there. But that's pretty much it. It's a very simple unboxing of the Google Home Mini. The review, the link will be in the video description. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my social links in the video description. And thanks for watching.